Hi, this is John. Welcome to another quick tip video. I make use of the Save for Web function because I upload lots of images to blogs and to web pages. And in the Save for Web menu, you can see the presets available. We have quite a good choice here. In the Windows version, there's a little bit of a glitch because it looks like those presets are grayed out. However, they are still all functioning. And one little tip for you is to use the up and down arrow keys, and as you move up and down the list, the top preset menu can be seen quite clearly just using the arrow keys. Adobe is planning to issue an early dot release, so make sure that your preferences are set to receive updates either by notification or by automatic installation. And this little situation will be resolved quite quickly, I think. So thanks for watching this tip.